Sounds like a turbo, dude. What's up, YouTube? It's Mikey Thick back with another video that no one cares about, but I make them anyway. Oh, baby. Look at that bird poop. So the plan for today is I'm finally gonna be putting my intake on my car. I did not get as good of a deal as I thought I did when I picked up that intake. It was missing a lot of stuff because I didn't do any research on it. I have no idea what it was supposed to come with. I ordered everything in except for the clamp that goes to the throttle body. I'm gonna go pick that up now. Hopefully it works. And if so, the intake is going on today. It's the PMAS colder intake, tune required one. And the other thing is, I got a tuner. Now I'm gonna have no check engine light because I don't have cats anymore. I've been driving around like that for a while, which I know I probably shouldn't. My O2s are gonna foul out, but it's whatever. That's all gonna be fixed today. So let's get a little cold start action. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and watch this. Oh baby, Lund Racing NGuage. Fancy schmancy out here. We're moving up in the world. God, this thing is filthy. Got the coupler, top notch, Spectre. I picked up my cameraman Brendan.
I thought it was Spectra.
I don't know, is it?
I don't
Spectra,
know.
Spectre.
It's shit anyways.
Dude,
it's gonna dry rot tonight.
I have the legit one coming. I ordered the one from PMAS, but that's not gonna be here till like next week. So I at least wanted to get something temporary on there so I can get it at least installed and get my tune on and everything. Step by step. First things first, you pull out all this bolt.
Wait, drink a Monster? That's disgusting.
Slammed it.
I shotgunned it.
Where's the little pack that has my cap and everything? Oh wait.
No cap, dude. Mike, half this video is already at your ass.
It's Mikey Thick. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much. Where's my baby hammer?
Your little hammer from your little toolbox. His little toolbox and his little hammer.
Did they tell you had to do this in a CJ Pony video?
See, if I had a big hammer, it wouldn't fit. Size doesn't matter.
It's a woman's 6 inches or a man's 6 inches. There's a difference.
I usually go off the man's.
Yeah, me too. Mike, would you be upset if I slammed the hood on you?
Dude, I'd be thrilled.
Damn, dude, let's just strip it off.
Let's strip it.
Call Rodney.
Alright, step one complete. Look at that throttle body. Clean.
Point the Spectra downwards.
Yeah, I actually am. I'm not gonna advertise that.
Dude, hurry up.
Dude, in the video they just ripped this out.
2 hours later, we got it out. We had to pull the motor and then put it back in.
That's
Mike, what are you doing?
difficulties.
What are you doing with that reservoir?
Relocating it.
Really?
Yeah, you gotta put a little relocation bracket on it. Because the intake's so fat.
Just lift it up a little bit.
It just like scoots it like literally an inch to the side. For the record of fastest cold air intake install.
CAI. If you want to make it fast, you gotta abbreviate everything too.
That's true. I was watching the American Muscle video, and she was talking about that coolant bracket.
Yeah.
She's like, yeah, you take out these bolts and disconnect the reservoir from the rad. So she literally called it the radiator the rad. I'm like, whoa, it's a fucking car chick right there. Whoa.
Whoa. Where'd you get that from?
Off a guy, and he only gave me half the parts to it.
For full price.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So yeah, I don't have the heat shield either. Oh my god. So I might get that one day, but I don't really care.
Tactical.
Dude, this thing is so big.
It's not every day you hear that.
I never hear that.
I have an idea.
What's that?
You could cut a hole up here and just rotate that up.
Straight up.
I mean, it'd be really cold air.
No cap. Alright, so you're gonna go to tuning.
I can't even.
Load tune. Should I just send it? Just do the cam tune?
Cam's tune. There's too much glare.
Really? Oh, it's on manual focus.
I just turned it on manual focus because the autofocus wasn't working.
Fail your drug test, dude.
My mom drug tests me.
Health test. test.
24 years old and I get drug tested by my mom. Did you get everything from CJ Pony Parts other than the intake?
Everything. I bought the car from CJ Pony Parts. And the rad. I got the rad from there too.
I have to pee. Can I pee in here? Back it out so I can get out of the freaking car.
No.
I have to pee.
It's actually running really smooth.
Will that fit?
I think my foot's gonna hit it. Hold on. Did you hear that? Hear that thing sucking? Sounds like a turbo, dude.
You don't have the cam tune on, do you?
No. Should I? I'm gonna drive it around.
In a minute, let me go pee first.
Okay. It was free, so why not? That sounds kind of nasty. Kind of sounds good, I don't know. It doesn't sound like actual cans. She's pretty rowdy.
Yeah. Look at that dude. The dude's shaking his head. Dude's shaking his head.
He liked it. I didn't try it. I think I can rev to 75 now.